We have a project here at Anderson Seed and Garden that we've been working on for the last couple years, and we've finally got it put together, and we're very, very excited about it. It's our vegetable information guide. Now, the vegetable information guide is for obviously new gardeners that are just getting started out in their garden, but it has a lot of great information in there for even advanced gardeners if they want to learn how to do some different things. So inside we've got at least 2 pages on every single vegetable that can be pretty much planted here in Cache Valley. So right now I've turned to beets, and it's got all the vegetables that do really well here. So beets, asparagus, artichokes, corn, beans, squash, melons, cucumbers, tomatoes, you name it. They're all here in our vegetable information guide. But not only does it give you a little bit of information about the vegetable, but when it's time to plant, it gives you instructions on planting. It'll tell you some various soil preparation information, how to prep your soil before you're planting. It talks about different varieties. It will give you instructions on how to water, how to fertilize, and a lot of different common problems that they have, and also best way to harvest, and in a lot of cases how to store those vegetables as well too. So let's say you've never planted corn before and you want to plant some corn, and you can just switch to the sweet corn section. Of course it's got popcorn and it's got ornamental corn as well too, but the sweet corn right there. So it's got all that information. We tried to take all the various information that was there to help you plant and put it in a small section just so you can glance at it really quickly. It gives you that information of when to plant it and how deep and how far apart, how much water it needs, and best way to plant those, any particular problems that you have to deal with. So that's the way it is for all those vegetables. Let's say you want to do something that's a little bit more difficult, something you've definitely never planted before, like artichokes. You know, artichokes are going to be up here in the front. Of course, it's got our planting guide inside as well too. So the planting guide gives you all that information on when to plant and how deep and how much seed you need to do 100 feet, and about how much time it takes to harvest. So a lot of great reference material and information there. But there's the artichokes. So if you've never grown artichokes but you love them, you want to go to the grocery store and buy them all the time, but you'd prefer to grow some in your yard, gives you all the instructions that you need to do artichokes. And so our vegetable information guide, it's made specifically for our area, so it's great for the Intermountain West. Makes a great gift for someone if you would like to get them gardening. Here's all the different varieties that the information guide covers. And even in this digital age where we've got information at our fingertips, it's not always specific for our area, and our vegetable information guide it gives you that information that you need for Cache Valley to be able to grow whatever vegetables that you'd like, but also have all that knowledge and expertise that we provide here at Anderson Seed and Garden to make you more successful. That's all right here in our vegetable information guide. It can be very helpful if you're struggling when it comes to planting your garden and getting your vegetables to produce what you'd like them to produce. The vegetable information guide here at Anderson Seed and Garden.